Hi guys, how are you? And welcome to the 6th tutorial of Learn WordPress with Sajjad Programming. In this tutorial, we are going to add some functionality in your website through some plugins. Let's get back to your website. Write localhost / my site / wp-admin. Click on there, enter your credentials here, and just go to this plugin page. Right click on this install plugins. Here it will show you that which plugin has been installed in your website. If you want to add some new plugin in your website, you can add from here, or you can click from here, add new. Here there are lots and lots of plugins in your website. You can select like classic editor if you want to add your add your classic editor. You have to click on this install. It will be installed in your website, and after the installation you have to activate each and every plugin. Just click on activate and it will be automatically activated in your website. As you can see that classic editor has been activated in your website. This gives WordPress the classic editor, and it is the old style. Let's see what I mean. Let's go to pages and click on edit my first page. You can see that block editor has been disabled now, and the classic editor has been installed in your WordPress website. Let's click on this and open link in new. If you want to add some like tiny MCE, plugin, here you will see advanced editor page. Click on install. It might take some time for installation. After installation, you knew that you have to activate plugin. Just click on plugin and it is activated to your website. Now go back to your page and just refresh your image. As you can see, this new bar has been added to your website. This is what TinyMCE does. And now you can write whatever the text you want to add, like hello, I have added a new plugin in my website. If you want to just click, if you want to highlight this and make it some bold, you can click from here. If you want to italicize it, click on this icon. If you want to make it some bullet list, like my hobbies, internet surfing, book reading, you have to just highlight this text and click on this. It will be automatically list down your highlighted text. Just click on update and open your few changes. And it is updated to your website. Hope you have liked my video, and please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for new videos. Thank you.